Hi guys, welcome back to Lulu is Getting the Sister. Last chapter in chapter 8, we saw that Lulu got tricked by Mitzi's twin sister, Fritzy, got so upset about losing the swimming races that she pulled her hair, even though she knew it was wrong. So now we're going to see what happens to Lulu in chapter 9. Very soon after, Lulu was once again sitting with Fritzy in Call Me Debbie's office, being told, though she knew this already, that pulling someone's hair was totally unacceptable. Being told, though she doubted it, that what seemed like Fritzy acting condescendingly was Fritzy truly trying to be kind. Being told, though she disagreed, that anybody who had a good sense of humor would surely have thought the twin switching trick was hilarious. And also being told that since she was the temporary older sister, she had to be better behaved than her younger sister. Even when that pint size, I won't bother with everything else, younger sister had beaten her at swimming and at Scrabble. So Lulu put her hair in a little envelope. Please return to Fritzy. Not gonna do much good after it's cut off, though, huh? Lulu, looking stormy and not sounding too sincere, told Call Me Debbie she'd try to be better behaved. And Call Me Debbie told her that, because of this morning's Mitzi-Fritzy mix-up, she had decided for the first time ever to let Lulu's kid be exchanged for another kid. Whoa. Now, usually at Camp Sisterhood, you're given a girl if your mom is having a girl, and you're given a boy if your mom is having a boy. And if your mom doesn't know what she's having, well, that's a whole other story I won't get into. However, because the only spare kid at Camp Sisterhood was a boy, Lulu, rather than getting a new younger sister, was going to get a younger brother instead. Though it truly doesn't matter if it's a boy or if it's a girl, Call Me Debbie assured her. A happy sister experience will always be a happy sister experience. So here's Call Me Debbie, the counselor, same one from Lulu's school. You'll see, whoop, she's switching Lulu with another kid. Now she's getting a boy. Chapter 10. By now it was time for another yummy, delicious Camp Sisterhood lunch, 12 to 1, after which came an afternoon, 1 to 5, of freedom and fun for the Sits who had spent the entire morning, 8 to 12, trying to have a happy sibling experience. Meanwhile, the Sits who had spent the morning, 8 to 12, having freedom and fun, now got to spend the entire afternoon, 1 to 5, trying to have a happy sibling experience. Are you following me? It isn't that hard. Keep up. The freedom and fun activities were, just to mention a few, board games, ball games, arts and crafts, swimming, hiking, climbing, camping, kayaking, computers, and scavenger hunts. The happy sibling activities were the same, except instead of doing them with Sits, who were more or less your own age, people that you chose and wanted to be with, you had to do them with some little kid who wasn't your first or even your 15th choice. Which brings us to the next morning, when Lulu was introduced to Sebastian, whose older sister she was about to become. Here is our Sebastian, and it gives us some labels. He's got a runny nose, shoelace untied, bites his fingernails. Sebastian. I've always liked that name, except that it's one of those names that it's impossible to find a nickname for. Seb? Sebby? Basti? Tiny? Yiny? What? If anyone out there has a suggestion, please let me know. Send me a postcard. Meanwhile, Lulu's gonna call him Sebastian. Looking at Sebastian with his bitten nails, untied sneakers, and runny nose, Lulu could tell that he was no Mitzi or Fritzy. He wouldn't be a talking machine. He wouldn't be condescending. He wouldn't be whining, or he wouldn't be winning any kind of game. In fact, she was so positive that she would be beating him all the time at everything that perhaps As sisterly tip number 2 had suggested, she could even let him win every now and then, though not a lot, though maybe hardly at all. Though, forget it. He should learn how to be a good loser. All right, and we're going to stop there at chapter 11 and see just what happens with Lulu and her new little brother, Sebastian. If you guys have any cool nicknames that you can suggest for Sebastian, go ahead and let me know.